Okay, so today we're just going to talk about changing a Tomahawk recoil starter. This engine is on 3 of our models: the Cardinal CPS 435, the Tomahawk TPS 25, that's this one, and then we have a concrete sprayer model with a different pump but same engine. That's a TCS 6.5. So there's 3 models of these, and sometimes an issue is the recoil starter. Is the string broken? I would just replace it. They're not that expensive. Is the string jammed and it's not detached? You might want to just work on taking the screw off and then putting the string back into place. But in order to work on it, you're gonna have to take it off. So you're gonna need a number 8 Allen wrench, and you'll just take off these 5 screws. That's all 5. Might be stuck under the plastic housing, so you just have to kind of loosen it up a little bit, especially if you put it to some use. So there we go. This one still works. And then another issue you might have, so like the recoil starter is still working and it's good, you can just replace the new one you have to fix it. But if this is working and it's not pulling and not engaging, it might be your flywheel, which is this piece right here, and sometimes these plastic pieces are broken. If that's the case, you'll need to order a new one. You can just get them from tomahawk.com. To remove this flywheel, we're going to put a screwdriver into the fan to hold it, so that when it moves, it's not going to continually spin. Then we're going to take a 14mm socket wrench, and we're going to kind of slowly move it back, trying not to strip it, and holding the recoil starter with the other hand so it doesn't move. And then that's your, let's say this is broken, for example, but this one works fine. And you can put on your new one, and you just twist it back on, or you can use the impact. I gotta make sure I'm holding this down so that it actually properly tightens. Alright, that's good. And then this thing should be moving. Then you would put your recoil starter back on, and you're all set.